Hey YouTube, it is Nicole here once again. I hope you guys had a wonderful Monday. Mine was great. It went by fast, and that's how I like it. So I'm going to do updates on the Bill Cosby case. So you guys will see every now and then if there's a video on Bill Cosby, I'm going to be updating you guys. I feel it's important to keep track of this trial because we all know that the media has no interest in following this trial, telling all the truth. They're a part of it. They want to destroy him. So I just want to report all the stuff that they're not reporting. So I don't know if you guys follow Bill Cosby official Facebook page or Twitter. I don't know who's running it, but apparently they are on top of it. They've been posting all kind of gems, all kind of articles. They're posting articles of how the media, how they've been, just doing this whole thing. And they have like the hashtag pay attention. Like, it seems like he's trying to fight back through social media. And I think that's nice. It's a nice change to want to fight for your good name. He's not perfect. He said some questionable things in the past. I know a lot of people think he's played the coon card over the years, but what Cosby has done for, I want to say, black people, black education, I won't shit on him for that. I'm sorry. How many black entertainers is donating $20 million to black universities? Yes, he said some messed up things, but I'm not gonna just totally crap on the man because, of some of the questionable things he said. Is he perfect? No one is. But like I said, he's done some phenomenal things for black people as a whole. So I won't throw him under the bus. That's just me. That's my opinion. Take it or leave it. But anywho, so this article that he posted is from WashingtonInformer.com. And it says that the judge grants requests for outside jury in Cosby trial. And it says a Pennsylvania judge Monday ruled against moving Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial out of the state suburbs, but said jurors will be picked from elsewhere, probably Philadelphia. Now, guys, that is definitely some good news because Philly is heavily populated it's a huge African American city. So maybe Cosby can get lucky and have some black jurors that are, too cooned up or believe all the BS, and they'll, maybe they'll help set him free. We'll see. And it says the ruling was a win for the iconic comedian and could yet clear his name of the decades-old allegations of sex abuse that have dogged him. Armed with large binders full of news clippings about the case, defense lawyers argued that the comedian cannot get a fair trial in Montgomery County and that the June trial should be relocated to a more diverse place. Unless you've been living under a rock, the message has been Bill Cosby is guilty and is a serial rapist, Cosby lawyer Brian McGongle said, arguing that the news coverage has provided a platform to dozens of accusers, many of whom have never had their stories vetted. These are horrific acts of vilification, and they have demonized this man when you're supposed to have innocence until proven guilty. I don't believe there is a place anywhere in this country he could receive a fair trial. I hope I'm wrong. Assistant District Attorney Stuart Ryan said it was easy to lay the blame on the media, but that the extensive coverage of the scandal would not stop Cosby from getting a fair shake. We are not interested in the court of public opinion. We want to come into court and present facts. Put facts and evidence in front of a jury and let them decide, Ryan said. Prosecutors agreed to allow jurors to be chosen outside the county and sequestered in Norristown for trial, which is called a change of venue. The judge decided it was not necessary to relocate the entire proceedings, known as a change of venue. Cosby, 79, is set to stand trial on allegations that he drugged and sexually assaulted a woman named Andrea Constance at his Pennsylvania home in 2004. It's the only criminal charge stemming from dozens of accusations of sexual misconduct spanning decades. Cosby has denied any wrongdoing and has filed defamation lawsuits against some of his accusers. Last week, the judge ruled that prosecutors can bring just one of Cosby's other accusers to the stand in an attempt to show a pattern of behavior. Prosecutors wanted up to 13 women who say they were drugged and molested to take the stand. That's another good thing in his favor. Less bogus lies, less bogus women on the trial. Much, much better for him. I feel like there's a pep in his step. I feel like he feels that maybe this just may work out in his favor. Nothing is set in stone. I don't want to get too excited. Hopefully Cosby shouldn't get too excited. Anything can happen, but I am noticing the tone change. I am noticing that he's fighting back. And I say good for him. Keep fighting, Cosby. You know, we're not perfect. You definitely should have been way smarter about some of these women, man. But I tell you what, I'll never believe he was this big black rapist. I will never believe it. You couldn't pay me all the money in the world. I'm sorry. Many of these women willing and wanted to sleep with this man. You can't tell me nothing different. Like I spoke on Clifton Power yesterday. Come on. That is the come up. And they're getting it from these women. You know what I'm saying? So, all the best. And I will keep you guys updated on this, all the news with Mr. Cosby. So, that is it for now. And I will see you in the next video.